So talking next about market analysis and research, you may want to think about how much money you want to spend on a lot of this stuff. I think you can do a lot of this from free sources if you go to your city hall and get some data on demographics of the area, how many new families are moving in, is the area aging or not. You can certainly hire people to do market surveys, and you can interview people, interview experts, things like that. You can get an idea from real estate agents, but keep what they say, take what they say with a grain of salt. They want to sell you something. So yeah, I would look at all of these things, but really think about what you want to do. Think about, do you want to spend money on all this? So you can certainly gather data yourself, but keep this in mind if you want to spend a bit of money doing some analysis. Again, see what you think about this. A lot of this stuff I've never done. Geographical information systems, spatial analysis, I don't know if you want to get into that so much. But demographic data related to real estate would be very good. And zoning laws, traffic patterns, proximity to amenities. I think you can do a lot of this just by going to the area and finding out where things are and looking at the area yourself, but you can certainly hire people to do this for you. Or I think you can gather a lot of data from City Hall to do that. Market trend monitoring, keeping track of long-term market trends in pricing. ChatGPT might be a good thing to ask for that. Check Google, try to find some reports about that. Anyway, I think this is basically fancy writing for, is your area growing or not? Is it trending up, or is it gentrifying? Are people getting older?